Good morning, dear students. Welcome to RAS Academy. This academy is mainly for giving education in English and also preparing the students for interviews, competitive exams in many sectors like banking sector, like police constables, like insurance sectors, and any UPPS, UPSC exams and APPSC exams also, grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. I think this academy is very useful for all the students. This academy has a track record of 30 years and I think student need much of the information and knowledge in speaking English. We give you not only grammatical English but also spoken English. Very easy way of learning English. I have designed 30 lessons of 10 minutes each and also 30 hours of conversation in English and also giving a practical interview on interview skills. So all combination is about 3 months course. If anybody is interested, they can join, they can register your name and you can pay 1000 rupees for the course, and I am sure that you will be learning very good English and making a good perspective of your life. All the best. Today the lesson is, I have already taught you first two lessons, that is noun and pronoun. In English, the first and foremost lesson is the parts of speech. In parts of speech, you will learn first noun, pronoun, and then adjective, then you will learn verb, adverb, pronoun, conjunction, preposition, interjection, and also articles. To understand the words which are grammatical sense, everybody learns English in the manner that they know the word and they know the meaning and they know the usage. But when you come to grammar, you should understand what is noun, pronoun, and what is an adjective, verb, adverb, and preposition, interjection, and conjunction, and articles. When you understand these concepts, you are well versed with grammar. Once you know the grammar, then you are fitting for all competitive exams. Today I will tell you about adjectives. This is chapter number 3. You are all welcome. So what is an adjective? First of all, adjective is a word which qualifies noun. You can see on the board, adjective is a word which qualifies noun. That means adjectives are always used before noun and they try to qualify the noun. For example, she is a good girl. So she is pronoun, is verb, good is adjective, and girl is noun. She is a beautiful girl. He is a brave boy. So when you see that he is a pronoun, he is a verb, brave is adjective, and boy is noun. So you will find generally all adjectives are placed before noun. But whatever is so, adjectives always give the quality of the noun. Now you can see adjectives are, how many types of adjectives are there? You can see on the board, I have sketched around 8 adjectives. You can see first one is the adjective of quality. Quality means describing the noun quality. What is the quality of noun? You can see I have written 2 examples. He is a fat man. She is a beautiful girl. New book, tall tree. So fat man means it is noun. Fat means he is fat. That's all. The fat says that how a person is. So it's a new book, means a book is noun, new is adjective. So here it shows the quality, here it shows quantity. Suppose many people, quantity. So it shows several men, quantity. Some books, quantity. Few books, quantity. Books is noun, some is again adjective. So you will find adjective and noun are going together, they qualify noun. So adjectives are in a sentence are always concerned with nouns, they are not having any relation with verb, have no relation with pronoun, verb, have no relation with other parts of the speech in a sentence. Further, you will understand how to use adjective very correctly, and grammatical and competitive English it's very much necessary. In 10th class they say what parts of speech. So underline the word and they ask what is the parts of speech. The students who can tell very well it is an adjective, well, they are well qualified, they are fit for further classes. Now you can see adjective of numbers, 1 glass, 2 pens, single person. 1 glass means 1, 2, 3. These are all adjectives. Dates are adjectives. Numbers are adjectives. Positions are adjective. First class, second class, third class. These are also called adjectives. Now you can see demonstrative adjective. This book, that book. These books, those books. They are also called adjectives. You can see these book, demonstrating this book, that book we are demonstrating. You can see interrogative adjectives. Interrogative means all question marks. Which book is this? Book is noun, which is a interrogative adjectives. And what color is this? Whose house is this? Whose is interrogative, house is noun. So whenever you see any question is formed along with a noun and an adjective, then it's called interrogative adjectives. Then you can say possessive adjective. My bag, her book, his shirt. My bag, bag is noun, my is adjective. So try to understand, when this is placed before a noun then becomes adjective, but it is placed before a verb it becomes pronoun. So her bag, her book, his shirt. So these are also possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, ours, they are projective, they are possessive pronouns. But our is possessive adjective, ours is possessive pronoun. That difference we must know. Further classes you will understand when you read a little bit, go deeper in the grammar. You will understand what is possessive adjectives, what are the possessive pronouns, where they are used, how they are used. Further you will see that indefinitive adjectives, little, many, much, few, any, some. These are all called indefinitive adjectives. There is also adjectives, na? Some books, any person, any one. So they are also adjectives because they are used along with the noun. Further you see weak adjectives. What are the weak adjectives? Weak adjectives are also called determiners. And what are determiners? A and the. These are all articles and also they are used as weak adjectives. Now first see an egg. Egg is noun, an is adjective. A book is noun, a is an adjective. So all the articles a and the are called weak adjectives and also demonstrative, also called determiners. So you have understood how many types of adjectives are there. Use of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. For example, tall, taller, tallest, good, better, best, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Like this you can see they are give comparisons. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall means a tall person, taller is bigger than him. When two people are there, comparative degree is used. When many are there, then the superlative is used. So the use of adjectives is, you can see, in comparative, in the degrees they are called. Now you can see suffix in the adjectives. When you want to find out an adjective, they are found from nouns and they are also found from many words. You can see this. So affectionate person means ATE, NATE. Affection means noun, ATE means adjective, affectionate. Boyish, then confidential, TIAL, ISH, talkative, TIVE, monthly, friendly, lovely, they are all called adjectives. Honesty, golden, dangerous, ROUS, dangerous, danger, dangerous. So danger is noun, dangerous is adjective. So courageous, courage, courageous. So from the nouns they are formed. Peaceful, peace and peaceful. Beautiful, beauty and beautiful. So you can see the last FUL, OUS, EN, LY, TIV, TIAL, ISH, NATE. So this suffix you can understand how the prefix look like, how the adjective look like. You can understand in the sentence also you can find out. Now from the noun adjectives are formed. I have already told you affection, affectionate. Affection means noun, affectionate means adjective. So he is an affectionate person. We can use it in the sentence. So I think you have understood what are adjectives and how many adjectives are there in English and what are the main purpose of the adjectives. The main purpose is to qualify noun. In a sentence, they are the mango is sweet means the mango is noun, is verb, sweet means the mango is sweet. A sweet is adjective, mango is noun. So they are interrelated, they qualify the noun. So you have understood how many types of adjectives are there. Interrogative adjectives are there, demonstrative adjectives are there, indefinite adjectives are there, possessive adjectives are there, distributive adjectives are there. You can see the shows quality, quantity, numbers. Even adjective shows the color, adjective shows the smell, adjective shows the taste of any noun. So my dear, you must have understood what are the adjectives. Like you can see examples: black, red, these are all yellow. Colors, all colors are adjectives. All the smells are adjectives, and also all the sizes, heavy, thin, weak, smart, intelligent, these are all adjectives. Intelligent person, intelligent means adjective, person means noun. So like that there are so many adjectives are being used in English and they are quite beneficial for our grammar. So this is chapter number 3. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned what is noun, what is pronoun, what is an adjective, how they are used in the sentence. Probably they are used near to the noun, maybe used in somewhere else also, but they are connected with the noun. Suppose somebody says a rich man. Man is noun, rich is an adjective. So the words are formed like this. You can see the prefix, suffix and find out whether it is adjective or not. So adjectives are, number of adjectives are being used in grammar and they are quite useful for our competitive exams and also for enriching your knowledge. Thank you very much. Please come to join our institution and enrich your English knowledge and get a good successful job. All the best. I am your sir. My name is B. Raju. My phone number is 830-982-7562. I welcome you to this institution and it's run over all over India. You can download this thing in the link. You can download and study well. All the best. Without English there is no job, I hope. Without an interview, in English there is no interview, and without interview there is no job. So prepare yourself and get connected with me, with our institution and with my phone number. Please give a ring and all the best.